Django doesn't update HTML template after model.save. I have a Django application using Django REST framework. When I do an ajax call, that changes a model field. And then trigger a JavaScript location.reload. The reloaded page still contains the deleted model. On the database, the deleted field is true, and on my template I make this. When I reload the Django web server, it no longer shows the media.deleted objects. Edited. The ajax request is when I modify the objects using a regular Django form, for example when create an object, the page reloads properly. Addition 2. The implementation of the issue.getMedia on the issue model.
Try adding the never_cache decorator to the view responsible for page rendering, or to the dispatch method if it's a CBV.
Can you try to use location.reload true? Maybe it takes page from cache.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe link.